Greetings students. In this lecture, we'll talk about concavity. Concavity is of two types, concave up and concave down. Let's first discuss concave up. A portion of a graph that is cupped upwards is called concave up. The condition of the graph to be concave up is that the double derivative is greater than 0. The graph of a concave up is shown on your screen. Now moving on, we have the concave down. A portion of a graph that is cupped downwards is called the concave down. The condition of the graph to be concave down is that the double derivative of the function in this case is less than 0. The graph of concave down is shown on your screen. Now, if in your entry test you are given a function and you're asked to check the concavity, what you have to do is you have to take the double derivative of the function at that given point. If the double derivative is greater than 0, then it would be concave up, and if the double derivative is less than 0, it would be concave down. And if the double derivative is equal to 0, then we have the point as the point of inflection. So remember, greater than 0, we have the concave up. Less than 0, we have the concave down, and equal to 0, we have the point of inflection. I hope you got the concept, and that's all from us in today's lecture.